When most people buy a newer home, they don't expect to find problems you might find in an older one.
Things like one room being colder than another, or leaks and drafts. But in many cases, new homes have just as many comfort issues as older homes.
Meet Silus Heapner. He checks out all types of homes to find out what might be causing comfort issues. More often than not, they're easy fixes.
Hi Silas, how do you figure out when you come into a home what's causing the comfort issues?
The first thing I like to do is interview the homeowner, have them give us a tour of the house and see what the issues are in their perception. And really what we're looking for is room-to-room comfort issues. Where's the heat going? Where should it be going? And can we make some adjustments to put it there?
What's the most common complaint that you get?
Usually the issues that we see are room-to-room comfort issues, like a room that's too cold, a bedroom that's too cold, and sometimes rooms that overheat. And also level-to-level comfort, maybe a basement that's too cold or an upper level that's overheating.
Silas, we're in a house that's about 5 years old.
Right, and it's Energy Star too, so you wouldn't expect a lot of problems.
So again, do you come across that with a newer home with comfort issues?
Yeah, in reality, most of the calls that we get are for homes that are less than 5 years old. And I think the reason for that is people that have the old 100-year-old house know that it's gonna be inefficient and leaky, but people who buy a new Energy Star certified home expect that it would be more comfortable and more energy efficient.
So what are the problems that you found in this home?
So in this home, we have rooms that are too cold, not getting enough heat. We have a basement level that's too cold, and we also have a bedroom that's getting too much heat and overheating, and also has a very loud duct.
All right, let's take a look.
So here we're in one of the basement bedrooms, and you can just feel in here
Yeah.
it's uncomfortably cold.
Yeah.
So Silas, what would be the cause of something like this?
Well, we're not really sure yet, but it could be something like air leakage through the wall or the window, or an insulation problem, or maybe even just from the two ducts, we're just not getting enough hot air.
But you'd think with 2 ducts that it might keep the temperature better, wouldn't you?
It's possible, although these are the problems that we see in rooms that are far away from the furnace.
All right, and this is one of 3 rooms with this same issue.
That's right, all on one side of the house.
Interesting.
Yeah.
All right, what else?
Let's go take a look. So in this room, we have the opposite problem. We're actually pushing too much air and overheating the room, and it's causing a lot of noise.
The homeowner had said, called it the loud room, right?
Yeah, that's right.
What do you think is causing this problem?
So I think it's just a simple matter of we're blowing way too much air through this duct opening, and it's just causing a lot of turbulence and noise. In fact, we can show you right here. There's enough air that I can literally levitate my hat.
Wow.
Wow.
Now, is this an issue, Silas, that you think, you really can correct?
Yeah, I think we can get to the bottom of this. This is a problem that I think we can mitigate with a little bit of attention to the ductwork.
Great. I'm going to let you guys get your gear and get started.
Great, thanks.
So here's our situation. We're in an Energy Star rated home that was built 5 years ago. The homeowner has a few comfort complaints. 1, at least 3 rooms in the basement are not getting heated or cooled air. 2, one of the rooms has a loud noise, and 3, gets way too much air, so it becomes uncomfortably hot or cold, depending on the time of the year. Hopefully we'll be able to figure out what's going on in this house. Now, if you have comfort problems and looking for ways to solve them in your house, visit our website at PowerHouseTV.com.